Hi, I'm Preston DeGuys. In this video, I'm going to run through deploying a new PowerProtect Data Manager 19.6 virtual appliance up to its first boot. In other videos, I'll go through the initial setup of PPDM. PPDM comes as a downloadable OVA file from the Dell EMC support website. Once you've downloaded PPDM, you can use your vCenter server to deploy it, as you're seeing here. First, choose the OVA file and click Next to continue. You'll need to give the appliance a name and choose where it's going to be deployed. Once you've selected where it's going to be deployed, vCenter will let you confirm the details of the appliance you're deploying. You'll also be prompted to confirm what VMware data store to deploy to. In production instances, you should keep the default of thickly provisioned lazy zeroed, but since I'm deploying into a lab, I'll change it to thin provisioning. Next, you'll configure the basic network details required for PPDM. There will be other details you configure on first access, but here you'll need a fully qualified domain name for the system, an IP address, the net mask, and of course one or more DNS servers. When everything has been configured and you're okay to start deployment, click the Finish button to get the OVA deploying within your vCenter environment. Now that the PPDM deployment has finished, you can start the new virtual machine. Now, on first boot, there are a lot of initialization steps for the virtual machine to take. You can watch them by launching the console, or simply give the PPDM server 15 minutes or so, depending on the speed of your environment, before trying to access its web-based GUI. There will be a message shown on the console when the web-based GUI is ready to access. And that's our deployment done, with the first boot now underway. Be sure to check for the next video showing first login setup of the PPDM 19.6 server.